Hi friends, today is Wednesday, December 16th, and today is going to be a very easy day for you. You are going to head into your Google Classroom, click on today's assignment. It's called Wednesday, December 16th, A Christmas Carol, and you are going to watch the movie A Christmas Carol. When you are done with the movie, which you probably won't finish the movie, we'll finish it tomorrow, you have two constructed responses to fill out in a Google form. So if we head over to Google Classroom under today's date, here is your video for you to click on and watch, and then here is your Google form. And it has your two constructed responses here. And then make sure that when you are done, you click submit. And that is it. And hopefully I will see you all tomorrow. All right? Bye, guys.